Hey guys, this is Prateek from 91 Mobiles, and our retail sources have informed us that Samsung is all set to launch a brand new smartphone in the affordable segment in India. The device in question is the Samsung Galaxy A6, and in this video, I'll walk you through some of its specifications and give you my opinions on the same. So guys, let's start by talking about the display of the Samsung Galaxy A6. So similar to the Galaxy A8 which was launched recently, the Galaxy A6 is also expected to come with the company's Infinity display. So we have been informed that the display size is 5.6 inches and that the display resolution is HD. Now, when you couple in the smartphone's bezel-less design with the 5.6 inch display, you can assume that the smartphone will be ideal for one-handed usage. But we'll have to wait until the smartphone actually launches to see that. So guys, now let's talk about the performance, because that's one of the most important factors when you're buying a new smartphone. So allegedly, the Galaxy A6 is expected to come with an Exynos octa-core processor from Samsung, and for RAM and storage, it should come with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of built-in storage, but that is expandable via micro SD card. Now, when you take a look at the market right now, most of the affordable smartphones have similar specifications, so we are glad that Samsung didn't skimp on the RAM or the storage front. So guys, there are not a lot of details about the design of the smartphone, but we have been informed that the device will come with a fingerprint sensor positioned towards the back, so that will help you authenticate the smartphone biometrically. We've also been informed that the smartphone will feature a pair of 16 megapixel sensors on the back as well as the front. So you'll get a 16 megapixel primary camera and a 16 megapixel selfie shooter with the Galaxy A6. This goes on to show that Samsung has finally recognized the need for good selfie cameras on smartphones and is taking the fight to brands like Oppo and Vivo. So guys, one last bit of information that you should know is that the Galaxy A6 is expected to be powered by a 3000 mAh battery, which coupled with its HD resolution display should give you some solid battery life. We have also been informed that the smartphone will run Android Oreo out of the box. Now, in terms of pricing, we don't really know what the price of the smartphone is, but Samsung is also expected to launch the Plus variant of the smartphone alongside the Galaxy A6. So make sure to stay tuned to our website, which is 91mobiles.com, and our YouTube channel for more updates on the same. Until then, this is Prateek from 91 Mobiles signing off.